51. Happy! You may won't see him, but I sure do. It's cute, Happy Cat. Let me just... Hi, Happy. He's so cute. I'm sorry I haven't made any videos in a while, except for Roblox ones. It's just been a little bit crazy with everything, you know? Happy Cat. He's so cute, right? I might have to call this a video since I make this video 30, but I'll make the other 2. I'm gonna make 2 more. 1 minute. Alright, I'm gonna stop in 3, 2, 1. And bye-bye, YouTube.